Hello guys, we are back with another tutorial on how to create a virtual USA number for free of cost. Later in this video, I will tell you from where you can download the application, date and time, but make sure to watch the video till the end and do like, share and subscribe to our channel if you visit first time. First of all, open this app and sign in with your Gmail ID. The sign up process is very simple. Just put your name and simply save. Next step is click on profile icon, and here in my phone numbers you can see there is one available number. For some of you it may be 0. In that case you need to sign in with new Gmail account. You should have at least 3 or 4 Gmail accounts so that you can get at least one or more number. Now go to WhatsApp and put this number. But before that, make sure you give all permission to WhatsApp like SMS and call. And in the virtual SIM app too, so that you can receive call. Here you got 1 hour SMS issue for code, but it actually doesn't matter. In this app we don't receive any SMS, we got code only via. So click on didn't receive code and receive new SMS till you get less timer in voice call. Now you can see we got less than 2-minute timer for voice call. Even if you get 5 or 10 minutes, you should wait. Now click on voice call. Now you can see we got a call. Here in the screen recorder you won't be able to listen the OTP. Pick up and it will ask you to press a number to receive code. Do that and it will tell you the code. Now simply type the code and you got a fresh WhatsApp account. Now some of you might not be able to create account, so try with different Gmail account, and still if you are not able to create, then comment down your issue, and if you want keep virtual number then message me on Telegram. You can match the number too. You can check the today's date and time also. And now see the app version. You can find this app link in our Telegram channel, and you can get the link in description or pinned comment section. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Till then, see you in the next video.